In this video, I'm going to be revealing one simple, powerful hack that you need to know to get whatever you need from anybody. If you are trying to, make someone to do something for you, this trick is all you need to know. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Akiride, aka also Mike. In this video, I'll be sharing with you one powerful tool or strategy, right, that you can use to make anyone do anything that you want for them. Whether you want to request a favor from your mentor, probably to get them to support you, or maybe get them to come to your show, right, or to your space, you can use this powerful technique. Or probably you want your spouse to do something for you and they are feeling reluctant. This is the only strategy that you need to learn right now. So let's get into it. So it's very, very simple. This is all about what I call strong benefits, right? And this is how to do it. When you're trying to tell someone to do something, right, and they are feeling reluctant about it, all you have to do is to find a benefit attached to that thing. For example, let's say your spouse is feeling reluctant to get something for you. Just attach a benefit to it. That, okay, if you're able to do this, or probably while you're doing this particular thing, you also get this thing, this as a benefit. Believe me, before you say it, they already get it done. So now let me give you a practical example of what I'm talking about. Now let's say you have a mentor, right, and you don't know how to convince him to come to your show. Now if that your mentor has a course, or he has a book that he's selling, you can just use this strategy and tell him that, okay boss, I have this event that I want to host, and I can promise you that you are going to sell your book, right? I'm going to help you sell your book. I'm going to help you sell your course. Believe me, if your mentor is not really booked up, he still has some time left, he's definitely going to come. He's definitely going to accept to your offer. Why? Because he knows that he's getting some things in return for his time that is going to be spending with you on your show or in your space, right? Are you getting the point? Another thing you can also do is, probably with your spouse, you've been telling them to do something but they're feeling reluctant about it. What you can do is, okay, when you do this thing, I'm going to give you this thing. It's just like a reward, right? You're trying to give them a reward or kind of benefits. You get the idea. So if you can start using this even in your businesses, right, ensure you are giving benefits, a strong benefit to whoever, probably your customer or your client or anybody, or your spouse, anybody that you want them to do something for you. Make sure you always attach benefits. So this is just the single tip that I want to share with you today, and I hope you enjoyed it, right? So, and if you do, make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this from TikTok, make sure you follow me. All right, drop comments. Yeah, it's very important. Drop comments in the comment section and let me know how this video has actually helped you. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Mike Akiride, aka also Mike. I'm gonna see you at the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.